Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace Honda Civic headlight assembly, only way. Start by turning the steering straight and lifting the hood. Remove the negative battery terminal and secure the vehicle. Remove the grille clips and bumper fasteners carefully. Keep bolts organized and note their positions. Have replacement bulbs and the new assembly ready to avoid delays. Take photos for reassembly reference and keep a clean workspace. With tools ready, remove the bolts securing the headlight assembly using a 10 mm socket and a ratchet. Gently pull the wiring harness connector straight back to avoid damaging tabs. Remove bulbs by twisting them counterclockwise and set them aside in a clean area. Carefully wiggle the assembly free from the mounting points and lift it out of the bumper opening. Inspect the housing and wiring for damage before installing the new assembly. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life is long and repairs are long, so treat your feet to comfy socks like the ones you saw here, with a lifetime warranty and real durability. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a pair. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Position the new headlight assembly into the bumper opening and align the mounting tabs. Reconnect the wiring harness and bulbs, ensuring each connector clicks into place. Partially thread the mounting bolts to hold the assembly, then adjust alignment by eye until seams are even. Tighten bolts evenly to factory feel and reattach any removed trim or grille clips. Turn on the headlights and high beams to confirm proper operation and beam pattern.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.